Welcome back. The High Court has rejected a petition challenging Goa Daman and Diu Official Language Act 1987. The petitioner had demanded to include Konkani language in Romi script in the act. Court held that the petitioner failed to present valid grounds.
During the hearing before the High Court, petitioner Ramakan Gajanai contended that prior to the implementation of Goa Daman and Diu Official Language Act, Konkani was popular in Romi script. But in year 1987, Goa government notified the act and ignored people's sentiments. The petitioner also contended that the originality of Konkani language is in Romi script only. Questioning the constitutional validity of Goa Daman and Diu Official Language Act, the petitioner argued that Goa Assembly cannot pass an act for Daman and Diu as it is associated with Gujarat. The High Court held the petitioner failed to present valid grounds, proving the act invalid and rejected the petition. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Fire broke out at the flat of Maria Fernandez in Madal Madgaon on Monday. A suspected short circuit led to a cylinder blast, thus injuring house owner Maria. She was shifted to hospicio. Fire officials reached the site and controlled the fire. Fire officials claim loss of 3,50,000 rupees.
Fire brigade was pretty late. Injured, anti-injured dali. They shutter the flames ekdam third floor or pauli. The flames teki tokle che poli, and it got burnt. Cylinder the bori flames dan flames third floor or pauli, and even in the A block in the first floor flames pauli. And third floor or Paul Taran Magi gram con blast salo. So everybody screamed and we came to know that something got blasted. We didn't know what it was.
Turn out from Margaon unit and reached the spot after 10 minutes. On searching operation, we noticed that one LPG cylinder got blast, which was lying in the gallery of the flat. Total estimated damage we have found out around 3.5 lakhs of rupees. And there were no casualties. 2 cylinders we have taken in our custody, and out of which 1 cylinder got blast. Exact cause of incident not been ascertained. It is under investigation.
Residents of Kurti Ponda complained that sewage water released by an apartment in their area has become a reason of worry for them. They fear epidemic in their village. Agitated residents also complain that no authority has taken cognizance of the matter. They have threatened of severe protest if their problem is not solved.
Cleanings असा like Kadria Plaza सांगा त्यांच्यानी सेफ्टी टँक जी आसा आपली ती केन्ना स्लीप करूंक ना उदक डायरेक्ट व्हांवता हितून जो गव्हर्नमेंट बंद दिता आमकां हेजे उदक वचपा पावसाचो लोकांनी गटरीचो उदक तितून सोडला संडासीचो सॉरी सिवेजाचो वॉटर तितून सोडला आनी लोक आपले फ्लॅटान सुशेगाद रावतात आनी आमकां त्रास करतात लोकांक
कातिया प्लाझा बिल्डींग आनी बाकीचे आनी उदक वचपा वाट ना बँकेतल्यानी टॉयलेटीचे उदक सोडलेले आहा आनी एक गिरायक म्हाका येवपा जायना कित्याक 2 मिनटां रावना ते हांगा कित्याक तांकां चान्सच ना धांवन वयता वास पळोवन आनी कितें डेंगू हे ते जावं शकता म्हाज्या फुडल्यान आतां 6 वर्सां जालीं हांव ट्राय करता
100 आतां सद्या तरी आमी 100 जाणांची सायनी घेतल्या पूण गरज पडली जाल्यार आमी हांगा 500,000 लोक रावंक शकता तेन्ना आमी रिक्वेस्ट करता की बेगीच्या बेगीन हो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करचो ह्या बिल्डिंगेचे ओनराचेर जावं ते बिल्डराचेर जावं ते कोण रेजिडेंट्स रावता तांचेर बेगीच्या बेगीन एक्शन घेवची नाल्यार आमी कितें तरी आमी फुडाकार घेतल्या
कितें केल्लें आहा जवळ जवळ 16 डिपार्टमेंटाक आनी तेंच्यांनी अजून पर्यंत काय पळोवंक हें येवन पळोवंक ना जावं एक्शन घेवंक ना प्लस आमी ग्रामसभेक हे सगळो प्रश्न मांडलेलो आसा पण पंचायती लेवलाचेर जावं खंयचेच गव्हर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंटाच्या अंडर कसलेच आमचे एक्शन कांय घेवंक ना.
However, the local punch member Deepa Naik has passed the buck on to the PWD officials.
सरफराज हांकां बी तेंगेले दारांतल्यान उदक येतालें रस्त्यार उदक ओवरफ्लो जातालें म्हणून हांव रेजोल्युशन घेवन हांगसर गेल्लें PWDन तर तेंच्यांनी रेजोल्युशन जेन्ना पंचायतीन घेवन गेल्लें तेन्ना ताणें म्हाका सांगलां शर्मान प्रायोरिटी लेटर जाय म्हणून म्हणजे आमदाराचे हेजेर जावपाक जाय गटर जर क्लीन करपाक प्रायोरिटी लेटर जाय म्हणटा हें हांव पयले फावटी आयकतां आतां कन्स्ट्रक्शना लागून जर प्रायोरिटी लेटर हाड म्हणटा गव्हर्नमेंटा हेका आमदाराचे हेजेर तो एक योग्य आसा पूण हें प्रायोरिटी लेटर जें म्हाका तें क्लिनिंगाक लागून हाड म्हणटा हें चुकीचें.
Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.